Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are not necessarily repurposing a piece of furniture, but I am reorganizing and decorating my room, which I thought would be kind of interesting for you guys to see, like my own personal style, which is really different than the furniture style that I create, because the stuff I do for my furniture business is the stuff that sells, the kind of the trending things that are happening, and the things that I like for my personal style is a bit more vintage and I wouldn't say rustic, vintage, I don't know, bold in a way. It's kind of hard to explain. I'll show you guys a little tour of my room. I kind of rearranged it earlier this morning, and then I'm adding a big piece of furniture that some of you are gonna be like, ew, that's ugly, but I love it. So we are gonna add that. I first have to clean it. Me and my mom went into the storage unit and brought it here, so we're a bit tired and sweaty. But I have all the drawers sitting over there and the base of it right here. And I'll eventually show you guys the before and after, but for right now, I need to clean. Okay, so as you probably saw from when I was cleaning it, it's a desk. And right now everything's drying. I'm not gonna put the drawers back in until it's completely dry. But I will show you a few other furniture pieces around my room that are vintage, and one is actually not mine. I'm just borrowing it. And the other one is mine, and I love it. It is not completed because there's a door missing from it, but still, it's such a cool piece. I will show you guys that, and then I'll show you guys a few little antique pieces that I own, like thrifting items, and then I will get back to working on the desk. Okay, so here's the first piece, this shelf. Obviously I have a TV on it that I never use, but I have some vintage items in there. That's not vintage, actually. I just pointed at that. That's from Michael's. Not vintage. Kind of looks like it has the style of vintage, but it's not. There is a cup next to it. I can open this. That is vintage. Some cute teacups, a little shelf, a vintage radio, woodworking books, more books about design and stuff, another vase, another modern vase. And then we got this really cool clock, the TV, Bucko. So yeah, it's not exactly how I would style it personally. It's just kind of holding my random stuff that I have. But the vintage shelf itself I really like, and you can see me in the mirror. Hi. It's not a mirror, glass. Yeah, so that's one of my favorite pieces. It's missing, as you can see, there's glass doors on each one. The bottom should have a glass door, but it's missing. And then let's go to the next piece. So here's the other piece, an old dresser. I kind of have a ton of stuff on top of it. I was rearranging my room earlier, so kind of have all my extra stuff up there. Most of that stuff goes in the dresser. But yeah, just a wooden dresser. This piece is not really mine, it's my parents'. They're letting me use it for my room right now. And then I have this not so vintage, but kind of like stained to look a little vintage whiteboard, along with this suitcase, kind of cute little styling. I'll go over and show you guys some more antique pieces that I found. Okay, here's some candle holders, brass. I'm gonna have to glue some tacks inside so that I can stick the candles and they'll stay straight. We have this golden box that I have a bunch of stuff on. Pretty simple. And then I have this mirror, vintage brass. So those are like the few items I have in here that I'm keeping. Otherwise, all my other antique items I usually sell. Okay, back to the desk. So as you can see, it is well worn, scratched, bumped, but I kind of like that in a way. I probably will eventually redo this desk and restain it, but for now, I'm just gonna let it be what it is. It's had a whole entire life before it's been placed in my hands, so kind of shows it. But I need to go get a screwdriver and find a screw because this handle fell off, but I don't know where the screw went. I think it fell off when we were transporting it from the thrift store. But I need to go find that so I can put this on and then add the last drawer in and then show you guys the before and after. Okay, so I have found, oh, I thought I lost it again. I found the screw thing. We're gonna put this on. Perfect. Now I just need to put it in its spot.